Welcome to our channel. Today, we're revealing the secrets to achieving radiant skin and healthy nails with advanced care techniques. If you want to transform your skincare routine, keep watching. The skin is the largest organ of our body, and nails are an extension of it. Both play crucial roles in our overall health and well-being. But why is it so important to care for them properly? Common issues like dry skin, acne, fungal infections on nails, and brittle nails can be challenging. Let's explore some advanced solutions for these problems. To combat dry skin, hydration is key. Use products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin to keep your skin moisturized and healthy. To treat acne, products containing salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide can be effective. Consider also using nanotechnology for deeper penetration and longer-lasting results. Fungal infections on nails can be tough to eliminate. Products with nano-silver and other antimicrobial ingredients can help treat the infection effectively. Brittle nails can be strengthened with products containing keratin and biotin, promoting stronger and healthier nails. Nanotechnology is an innovation that's revolutionizing skin and nail care. But how does it work? By reducing ingredients to microscopic particles, nanotechnology allows them to penetrate deeper into the skin and nails, reaching areas that regular products can't. This results in more efficient absorption and long-lasting benefits, such as improved hydration, reduced inflammation, and strengthened nails. Besides nanotechnology, natural ingredients play a vital role in advanced skin and nail care. Aloe vera, for example, is known for its moisturizing and soothing properties, ideal for irritated or damaged skin. Curcumin, found in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to combat signs of aging. Quercetin, present in many vegetables, protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals and promotes nail health. If you want to take your skin and nail care to the next level, consider trying Nano Defense Pro. Combining nanotechnology and natural ingredients, it offers advanced and effective care. Click the link in the description to learn more and experience the benefits today.